What is up? It's your boy Aing bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we got a fun one. Today we got a controversial one. We got a lot of things in today's video. So unless you've been living under a rock, then you know the Toyota Tacoma's older brother, the Tundra, got a redesign. So yes, redesign for the Tundra, but the apple does not fall far from the tree, and I think either the Tacoma or the 4Runner are next. And well, we got to start putting in our special requests so that maybe, just maybe, Santa Claus will hear our complaints, our gripe, and what we want to see in the next generation Tacoma and actually implement them. As of right now, I feel like I'm reporting the end of the world, okay? Because the new generation Tundra is getting some hate, but also getting some love. It's kind of split down the middle. At first, it was way more dislike than like, but I don't know, it seems like we're coming back. We're coming back slowly. Me personally, I love it. But this isn't the video to talk about the Tundra. This is the video to talk about the Tacoma. The Tacoma's redesign is coming, and we need to tell Toyota now before they give us some two-cylinder Toyota Tacoma with 3 wheels. Now, we all know what's gonna happen. We all know that V6 is gonna go. I mean, it just has to. There's no way they're gonna keep this V6. The only way I think they'll keep this V6 is if they change the transmission, and the transmission change is enough to keep it. I don't know. I try to go down the rabbit hole and make it seem like it works. I don't think so. 4-cylinder turbo, I'm almost positive that's what they're gonna go with. We tried to tell them not to get rid of the V8. They didn't listen at all. I mean, they didn't even give us a badge to say, I'm sorry for removing the V8. 4-cylinder turbo is what we're gonna end up with in this truck. And I'm thinking they're gonna go with like an 8 or 10-speed transmission, which I don't know. I'm fine with it if Toyota listened to me. If Toyota can make this 4-cylinder 8 or 10-speed truck peppy. I want pep, not a Dr. Pepper. I mean, I'll take a Dr. Pepper. Nonetheless, if you don't know, there's a channel that goes by the name TFL Truck. Now, great channel. I love those guys. They make some of the best truck content ever. They put the Tacomas to the test. 3rd gen, 1st gen, 2nd gen. Yeah, they raced them all, and the 1st gen won. Now, it was a lot lighter, so we'll give it to them. 2nd and 3rd gen, 2nd gen was still faster. Now, Toyota, listen to me, buddy. Hear me out, okay? Come on. Put on the big boy pants, and we got to get some work done. 4th gen Tacoma needs to beat the 2nd, 3rd, and 1st gen Tacoma. Needs to. You can do it with the turbo. I need you guys to suck in as much air as you can and beat it, okay? Please. If the engine's going to be changed, if the transmission's going to be changed, please let it be for the better. Now, I'm gonna ask for something on the interior, and then we're gonna ask for something cosmetically. Yeah, so let's go into the inside. All right, so we've stepped inside the Tacoma. Everything looks very familiar. For the next generation Tacoma, the one thing that I've seen in the next generation Tundra that I really liked, I may regret this later, but going all digital. I don't know why. I think it looks so cool, but I also like the look of the analog gauge cluster. So, Toyota, please do not get rid of this. Keep it in the truck. And if you guys want to be fancy pantses, then do it for like the TRD Pro, because I can't afford that, or maybe a limited. I also can't afford that. Keep the SR5 analog, please. Also, a bonus feature, because I don't think this is very hard, because Corollas have it. Can you guys make all 4 of these automatic? Because only this one is like automatic down, and Sandy made fun of me because it was only automatic down. It's kind of embarrassing. And last but not least, can we have something in the next generation that sets this apart from everything else? This is what I mean, the Raptor, right? If reliability wasn't a thing, the Raptor was the best truck. Like, it set the standard high, and it had something unintentionally be the Raptor thing, and that was those 3 lights up in the grill. That made everyone call them Raptor lights, because only the Raptor had it. Like, it was something that the Raptor had, and then you have to go aftermarket to get it. So I want something that the Tacoma only gets. I want something on this truck that makes it absolutely distinguishable that it's a Tacoma. Obviously, there's not many trucks that look like it. The Nissan Frontier, the new generation, is trying to copy it a little bit, but nothing exactly the same. But I mean, this is it. This is the best mid-sized truck in the world. Like, this is it. We have it right here. You have it sitting in front of your home or you're dreaming about getting it, and this is it. Like, this in our lifetime is the best truck. I'm just trying to compensate, I guess you can say. Do not go Elon Musk on me, please, but something unique, something nice and snazzy. I mean, I'm pretty good at sketching something. I'll probably get home and try to sketch something up for you. Let's say Toyota handed the blueprint over to you. You get to change the engine, you get to change something on the interior, and you get to change one exterior cosmetic design. What are you doing? Let me know. Would you make my wishes come true, or would you change them for yourself? Now, you guys are a lot more intuitive than I am, a lot more creative than I am, so I'm very interested to see what you guys can come up with, what you guys can offer. So with that being said, I can't wait to post this, get in the comment section with you guys. So with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Mayo. Peace. But 4-cylinder turbo. First 4-cylinder